We is outside today, you feel me? Turn your ass down. Y'all, I'm on the iPhone, man. The quality, the junk, it's alright. I'm finna cut up a little bit for y'all though, man. Venom, man. He ready to eat somebody. Whoa, 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 whoa. You better tighten up, scat. Like I won't really get on you. Woo. That boy got the big cat out. What y'all want at it? I'ma give it to you. Great. I'ma give it to you. I need to put my things back on my front, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm being real with y'all. I do not even like driving my car, y'all. This nigga wildin'. He's wildin', bro. They scared to come outside. Yeah, I know y'all tired of saying the same, but we just back and forth on the road right now. We just back and forth on the road. Y'all want me to turn that trash and off and get nasty? I don't think I can slide. I ain't got no. Let's see. Ooh. See, mine like the grill. Like, just get nasty. Get nasty. Get nasty. Ooh. Ooh. We just did some crazy driving just to get in front of somebody and stop. I know they hate that. Surf, surf in. I'm finna get on my vlogging shit all the way. Like, I'm tired of playing with niggas. Like, shit feeling freaky. Okay, there we go. I had to get that 0.5, y'all. How to get that point? Woo! I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When I be hitting that gas, boy, I got a damn focus, boy. That motherfucker be, yeah, have it. Don't get me wrong, it's a little itchy, ain't not too crazy, but that bitch still slide. That bitch still slide. Get out my phone, y'all. What the hell y'all doing? Fuck wrong with y'all? I wish YouTube would let you play some music, bro. I want to get turned up for y'all boys, for real. What that boy say? Bizarre? Bizarre? I can no scratch. Yeah, I can take more. I'm a way loose. You feel me? Niggas outside today, man. It's just feeling like that type of day. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, man. Give y'all that good POV, man. This how the car look, bro. You know, I keep my prestige, whatever you say, however you say it. I can't be cutting up too much. I just put gas in here, bro. Yeah, I'll really be on some hot nigga shit, but I really can't be doing that, cause like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that ain't good for the eyes, for the eyes of the people. You know what I'm saying? What you try to do, lunch that bitch? You was spinning.
Huh?
You was spinning.
Oh God. So it says it's gonna launch at 2,000 PM. Do I need to start, like, do I need to rev it up to there?
The nigga smashed the brake hard to the floor. Stop on the gas. Take off. That boy doing that launch control stuff. That boy doing that launch control stuff, mama. Mama, he doing that launch control. Mama, he doing that launch control. What y'all want me to? Y'all want me to get nasty or something? Y'all want me to get nasty or something? They be swaying too much for me, bro. I can't fuck with that. I be swaying too much. Come on over with that scatty catty matty. That scatty daddy matty. Come on over with that scatty witty ditty. With that scatty witty. This nigga recording. That junk is loud. How is you doing? I ain't got no cash to begin. I'm gonna sneak in there, hoe. Got me. I ain't gonna lie, bro, that's hard, bro. How that grass just floats away. The track is packed. Hell is he doing? Boy, I jump in front of your ass.
With the car, man. That's your boy over there?
Yeah, that's my homeboy.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro.
Like, y'all, man.
Appreciate it, bro. Grind, bro. You get it. Boy, they got it outside, boy. Okay, that's a lane. I'll leave him. I'll lose to him. I'll lose to him. Picture. Damn. Them boys is bike to bike. Boy, tailgate, everything, boy, it's up out here. In that motherfucking cat. I'm in that cat, motherfucker. Hell is you doing? This bitch goes stupid. This shit crazy.
Let's get it, man. It's out.
Oh, we got the stars in the ceiling. You straight? All right. I'm in that motherfucking chat right now. Ooh. Oh. Nigga, I was scared of this hoe. You feel me? Oh my God. Slow down, nigga.
I'm trying to keep up with y'all, boy. This is crazy.
Fuck that cat, nigga. Fuck that cat, nigga. Fuck that cat, nigga. Fuck that cat, nigga. Fuck that slow ass cat, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
How many beats did y'all just do?
3, nigga. This bitch on video.
Oh, baby.
I'm just like that, son. You ready? Hey, you going slow?
I'm at 50 right now.
Alright, it's cool.
How you beat?
Oh shit. You better go, nigga. You better go. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. What the hell you doing? Oh.
I'm coming. It's crazy that I'm going somewhere. I hit the gas later, shit.
That's why I let off. That's why I said, what the hell you doing? Get on his ass.
Hey.
Get his ass, nigga! Get his ass! Ah! Y'all niggas tripping now. I want this nigga. I want this smoke, bruh. Come on.
Oh, that's plenty of space and opportunity right there, too, but.
Hold on, bruh. Wait. Bro, he cheating. Bro, he cheating, bruh. I'm finna walk his ass, though.
That motherfucker be bad.
I'm finna walk his ass, though. Come here. Nah,
Why
nigga.
keep?
Nah, nigga.
Why keep?
He cheating, bro. No, bro, he cheating, bro. Come on, take out at the same time. Oh yeah, you know what time it is now.
You know what he's
You
saying?
know what time it is now. Oh yeah, come here.
You know what he's saying?
Yeah. Don't play with me. Don't play with me like that, son.
Yeah.
We got that motherfucking scat behind us. There's a lot of shit going on outside right now. It's just a light preview, a light preview of May 4th.
You know what I'm saying? Let's tell them.
We're gonna have them tiz noise outside. Oh, okay, cute out here. Who shit is this though? It's okay. Oh, that's what's his name, bro? I be watching these niggas all the time. Oh, they go raw shit right there in Quan. hard as fuck, God. Man, we is outside. I promise y'all. We gotta get a picture with Q, man. That's only right.
How much you think I need for a skate? I did my homeboy skate. He did like 600 cars. I charged like 800, 850. So it wasn't that crazy, but if you want it flooded, maybe like 1100. You know what I'm saying? I'd say spend a good amount. And if you want like a logo,
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Stars in the two for you.
Shoot. How you make SRT Bree retire?
Man, I know, bro. They told me to humble her, man. So, you know. Nah, I mean, you know, that shit just, you know how that shit go, man. It's just, hey.
She don't be
It's part of the game.
She don't be outside no more?
I don't know. I don't see it no more, man. I don't see it. That bitch is loud as hell.